Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. It's me, Kiano. So for today's video, we are going to talk about what is the difference between male and female host in Kuku Live application. So, as you can see, sa female host is kailangan mo lang mag-face authentication, and once na ma-verify ka na ni Kuku is pwede ka na makapag-live and party and kukuha ng mga points. Samantala naman, ang male host is kailangan mo rin mag-face authentication, pero kailangan mo muna magpa-level 5 para makapag-live and party ka and makakuha ng libreng points. Pero, ayan, may pero pa. Ang kinagandahan naman sa main host is pwede ka makakuha ng libreng 200 coins sa pag-upo lang sa ordinary seat in just 15 minutes and makakukuha ka na ng libreng coins. Yun lang po, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the all notification bell. Thank you. Bye.